If you're looking to buy or sell secondhand clothes, you might have heard of Vinted. But is it really the best app for that? Today, we're diving into the pros and cons of Vinted to see if it lives up to the hype. Vinted is a platform designed specifically for buying and selling secondhand clothing. The app allows users to create listings for items they want to sell, complete with photos and descriptions. Once an item is sold, Vinted handles the payment process, making it relatively straightforward. The user experience is quite intuitive. Signing up is simple, and navigating through categories is easy, which is a plus for casual users. One standout feature is the ability to chat directly with buyers or sellers, allowing for negotiations or questions about items. However, the app does have some limitations. For instance, the search functionality can feel a bit clunky at times, and there's a noticeable lack of detailed seller ratings, which can be a concern for potential buyers. Overall, while Vinted has a solid concept, there are areas that could benefit from improvement to enhance user trust and experience. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Vinted makes it easy to list items and has a large user base, which increases the chances of selling your clothes. The chat feature is also a nice touch, making communication seamless. However, there are some frustrations. The lack of a robust rating system can lead to trust issues, especially for buyers concerned about quality. Additionally, while the app is user-friendly, the search function could use some work to make finding specific items easier. Pricing can also be a concern. While buying is often cheaper than retail, some sellers still price items higher than expected. This app may not suit those looking for high-end fashion or unique pieces, but it could be a great option for budget-conscious shoppers. In conclusion, Vinted is a solid choice for anyone wanting to buy or sell secondhand clothes, especially if you're looking for affordability. Just be mindful of the potential trust issues and search limitations. If you prefer a more curated experience, you might want to explore other platforms. Overall, it's worth giving Vinted a try if you're in the market.